Hi, my name is Shannon and I'm the CEO and Senior Migration Agent at Education and Migration Services Australia, and I'll guide you through how to lodge your own post-study work visa. We understand that you want to save money, but at the same time, ensure that you take the right steps to give your visa application the best chance of success, and that's why we created this course. This course is designed to help ensure you get the process right and ensure that the application is completed following immigration's requirements and avoiding visa refusal. In this course, you'll be provided with videos showing you how to complete each step of the visa application process, comprehensive checklists on what you'll need to provide, links and guidance on how to undertake additional sections like police clearances, health insurance, medicals, and also what to attach, as well as important tips on what you need to do and when. We break it down in a clear and simple way for you to follow. This exclusive course will give you the most updated information to ensure you take the right steps and save money in the process. Here at EMSA, we've helped thousands of people achieve their dreams in Australia, and with this new course, we can help you do the same. We look forward to helping you once you've enrolled.